Hi, my name is Christy Cowgill, and I'm looking forward to meeting you and seeing you at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I'm so excited to be one of the presenters this year, and I hope that you'll join me in a conversation on how to make cancer a verb. How to make cancer a verb. The goal of my presentation is really to engage you in thoughtful conversation around how we as hypnotists help our clients who come to us, regardless of the problem, but help them navigate that dreaded C word, that cancer experience. So on Sunday at 1 p.m., educational session 31011, I'll be hosting you in this conversation. So this presentation is designed to engage you, whether you're a new hypnotist or a seasoned one, in a conversation around cancer and its impact on our spiritual, emotional, and physical well-being. And I look forward to meeting you, to talking with you, and to seeing you at this year's NGH convention.